Welcome to Galaxy India Toon TV.
Hello again. It's time to play around with the next vowel. That is the vowel I.
Z-I-D, zip. A zip. I am a zip. P-I-N, pin. A pin. I am a pin. B-I-R-D, bird. A bird. I am a bird. R-I-N-G, ring. A ring. I am a ring. F-I-S-H, fish. A fish. I am a fish. I-N-K, ink. An ink. I am an ink.
Now you have understood it well. Let's read the coming words aloud. Chip, tip, grip, clip, lip, trip, tip, fifth, king, ding, wing, lion, iron, ship, sky, fight, light, night, kite, shore, bind, right, trip, blind. If you like this video, then there is lot more. Keep following for more fun activities.